1 second. Let me get everything connected. Send this out to VIP. I'm gonna let everyone join up, and then I'll start talking about my bias. Just gonna clean this all up for now. Yeah, so right now, Trump's speaking. Let me go to this week. Speaking right now. Not too sure what he is speaking about. Let me see if there's a his actual speech. Speeching. Trump's speech. Yeah, I don't see him. So overall, I'm bullish. We're a little behind on NQ right now. We have these two highs we're looking for up here on ES. I mean, same idea on NQ, but we're probably not going to make it all the way up here like today. So this high, or probably more likely like this area we'll run to. I'm not sure if we'll go all the way up here. So ES is definitely the more bullish asset right now. You could see that from the kill zones. I mean, we're way behind on NQ, which is fine. We just have to let price develop right now. We have a lot of like built up stacked lows. So like before we get long, I don't want us to come down, probably enter some kind of fair value gap and then proceed higher. Otherwise than that, we'd also look for a move over here on ES. We're just, yeah, we're having to wait for this volatility to kick in. Already looks like a decent setup right here, actually, but we could wait probably. I don't think it'll hurt to wait a little bit. Just let price develop a little bit more, because we have like a ton of just built up lows. It's really likely that we get in and then next thing you know, it's coming back on us. So yeah, we just gotta be patient. What I did like, we have like a larger 15-minute right here. And over here on the 30, you already inverted like most of these for value gaps, so didn't invert this one, but we almost did. See what kind of setup there is over here on ES. Wow, we already inverted this whole area. Yeah, so that looks really bullish right there. Again, I think if we take out some of these lows, that'll make a lot better setup right there for us to get long. So yeah, that's my thoughts right now. Yeah, it'd be really great if we come down, make a SMT, and then that's our entry to get long. You know, if you guys have any questions, could see the chat. Just comparing the lows. Right now we do have a SMT formed between the two. This 30-second looks pretty clean. If we invert that, looks like price might want to trade a little lower though. We'll just have to see. It's kind of chopping around right now. That's fine if it wants to do that. Let's see if it does want to invert. We want to see it crash through both of these for value gaps. So right now it's just kind of being a little slow. Yeah, we'll see if it comes through both of these fair value gaps, making two inversions. not, it's not a great reaction. I'm just gonna chill for now. Yeah, I wanted it to invert both of these fair value gaps really like fast, aggressive. It's not doing that, so yeah, good thing we didn't get long in there. Or I hope you guys didn't get long. Good evening. We're doing good, Jose. Haven't taken any trade or anything. So I'm doing good because that choppy mess looked pretty bad this morning. Yeah, my target is gonna be these highs on NQ, and then for ES it'll be these highs. We're falling way behind on NQ, so I'd expect these highs to get taken out just because this is yesterday's high. Like, I think there's a good chance that we come up and take that high. Whereas over here on NQ, we're probably going to SMT and be a bit behind. So, yeah, I'm overall, most of the time I'm not trading ES, but I'm more interested in ES today. For longs, just because of how much more bullish it is. Okay, well, we're still respecting good on the 15-minute over here on NQ. Yeah, I do think he'll have a big impact. I mean, you can see it right now. Like, it's pretty insane, the volatility. I don't really want to get in right now, because literally all it takes is one candle and you get wicked out. So I'm being really patient. We did invert these, so overall it looks better to go long now than it did before. If you guys know where I could find him talking, let me know. I wasn't able to figure it out because I'd like to just see what he's talking about to know if it's like, or when does that speech even end, because it doesn't have like an end time. So yeah, so far looks extremely bullish. What's up, Dennis? Let me know, Dennis. Send me the Trump stream. Yeah, that volatility is crazy right now. See if this 1 minute gets respected. Just this fair value gap. Looks like it won't. Might not respect. This would be a good setup right here. If it holds, if this holds, we invert this, and then we have these internal highs and the external highs. All right, fair value gap didn't hold. It's fine. ES held its fair value gap right here. I don't like it just yet. I'll have to invert this. And then see us trade higher. This is crazy because ES is doing like the complete opposite of NQ right now. Pretty major SMT now. From this low to this low. I guess we just chill for now. I'll have to end the stream around 8:50 though, or 11:50 EST, just because I have to do a few things. Kind of sucks because I feel like PM session will be a lot cleaner, and yeah, I might not get that opportunity to be on, but yeah, if you guys want to capitalize, probably PM session will be better. Definitely looks a lot cleaner now. See if it cuts through that. You want it to be one steady move. So it'll be clean if it's just one candle that inverts that. See, that's not as clean. Now that we have two candles going through it, it's kind of a worse setup than it was before. Honestly, I'm kind of more interested in ES right now. We're creating some fair value gaps in here. We're gonna have an issue if these highs get met and NQ hasn't even like expanded yet. I think that'll slow us down a lot. Do you think we trade to all-time highs on ES? No. Not today. I mean, I think we are going to go to all-time highs, but just like not necessarily today. Dude, this volatility sucks. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I really don't want to enter because it's so easy to just get wicked out. Whoops. Now it wants to run. Honestly, I think I'm willing to do just a short little trade right here. Light risk, light everything. So we'll have to, I'd want it to close right now and then re-enter it and then get long. And that'll probably be my first and last trade, depending on the outcome of this morning. Okay, I'm in. Light risk. All right, let's see if that works out. Double check. Target's good. And I'll adjust like my profit taking based on whatever ES is doing, because ES is kind of leading right now. So, because we could potentially trade up all the way up to here. Then we would extend on NQ as well. But yeah, let's just see what happens. Base hits win the race. All right, guys. Looks good so far. All right, gonna jam my stop loss break even. Just because at this point, like, it's low resistance. There's no reason we should come back. I would recommend Top Step. It's honestly probably my favorite features. I like my funded features. For like beginners, they have a starter program. That one's really good on my funded features. That's where you should start out, honestly. I'm looking into alpha features. I'm trying to move away from the trailing drawdown prop firms, the intraday trailing drawdown specifically. Like the end of day is fine, it's manageable. The intraday is just you kind of have to get lucky on those. So that's like Apex. So I'm gonna try and move away from those. But yeah, my funded features top set. That's all you need at the start, honestly. Then soon I'm gonna experiment with alpha features. Trade day is really good as well. For Forex, I would recommend funding pips. Funded X is something me and Mark are looking at. But the truth is, like, don't go looking for all these wishy-washy like prop firms with good deals. Like, go with the one where you're for sure gonna get paid. And max out that allocation before you are forced to go with another firm. Because the thing is like you're gonna have enough leverage with funding pips. Like you could get up to 300K in funding. Like that's really good to start with. Like you get some massive payouts with that. So like, why even bother with another firm at that point? You know what I mean? Every other firm in Forex is really, it's questionable. My funded FX looks alright. Just because they've been around so long, like they don't have the greatest conditions. Neither does funding pips. Like you're not getting the best discount, but you're guaranteed a payout. So that's all that really matters, especially in the CFD space. Futures, you're gonna see like all the prop firms are gonna be reliable for the most part. I've only seen one rug pull on futures, which they had like really easy rolls, so it makes sense. I think Top Step is like the perfect mix. You get copy trading, you get end of day drawdown, you get like a relatively easy payout scale. So, all right, I gotta stop ranting. We're just chopping around in here. We're grinding up, but W Chris with explanations. All right, I don't want it to tickle my fair value gap right here. I want it to just run up. Don't tickle it. Maven. I don't have any experience with them. I don't really trust them. I looked at them a while ago. I didn't really like them. I mean, if you already have a challenge with them, I would just finish what you can with it. But mine also looks different because there's two NDXs. Yeah, man. All right. Well, I just got stopped out. So. This is break even though. $10 ahead of yours. That's funny. Oh man, we still gotta go for this high. Yeah, that's pretty much the Asia high. That's why I'm looking for that. That's gonna be really lame if it just starts ripping up again. $50-50 conditions, honestly, at this point. I didn't even look at gold. Honestly, I should have been looking at gold. It looks a lot better. We got 1 hour, 4 hour delivery, bunch of highs built up. Like, I'm far more interested in gold right now that I look at it. So it'd be a major point we want to see trade up to. Glad I didn't get long in this fair value gap. Really doesn't look clean. It's running. My NQ chart? I don't think it's behind. Should be a little symbol on it. Yeah, it's real time. I actually pay for the it's like the data, which literally like you don't have to if you have a futures Propfirm. It comes with it, but just in my circumstance, sometimes I don't log in, so I said why not. About to meet that London high right there. Still have a lot more to go. Yeah, so this high that I wanted just got taken out. Kind of sucks. Should have just been a straight shot. Market's really choppy right now. I mean, it respected PD arrays. It's just you gotta be reasonable about your risk tolerance. That drop really exaggerated. Alright, well, we know the draws. Price action is not clean. Probably in the stream here just because I gotta go in a bit. But it was nice having you guys all on. A lot of you were active, so yeah, I'm gonna end it in about a minute. All right, I'm gonna end it there. Nice having you guys on.